Alright guys, welcome back. I got a video just for you Kia and G70 owners with the 3.3 twin turbo platform.
Yeah, boy.
This video is going to be on my secondary downpipes that I'm coming out with. They're in production now, but I needed to make a video on how well they fit, how they sound, etc, etc. I already have 2018 all-wheel drive Stinger out in the shop right now, but I'm going to do a quick overview on what they look like. Okay, so here we go. We got our secondary downpipes. Looking nice. They come in that brush finish, and these are made on the jig to replicate the factory ones. So as you can see, you know, I made a video on this on my Instagram, but each bend replicates the factory. You got your reinforced bracket, you have that sweep just like the factory, and then along that it comes with stainless steel gaskets and hardware. All my stuff is always stainless steel, so everything on here stainless steel, will not rust or corrode, and it'll last a lifetime. So let me go ahead and walk you through the install process. This video will be on how easy the installation process is, and obviously how it sounds with factory downpipes and aftermarket exhaust. All right, so we got the Stinger on the lift. I'm gonna go ahead and do a sound clip. Right now the car currently has an MBRP catback with factory primary and secondary downpipes.
Brother, what's that? What's that, brother?
All right, so that was the sound clip of MBRP with stock primary and secondary. Let's start digging into this. All right guys, so I got the car in the air. As you can see, here's the factory secondaries, and it has factory primaries as well. So what you're gonna do is you got two 19s there, two 19s over there, you got 14s holding the brace, and then you have your 19s in the back. The factory hardware you're gonna reuse, so you're gonna reuse those two bolts since you have factory downpipes, and then you'll use the supplied hardware to bolt all this down. Also guys, depending on where you live, some of these bolts can be kind of rusted, so just go ahead and spray some WD-40, PB Blaster, whatever penetrating oil that you have.
She said.
That way you don't break any of the hardware. So let's get started. Alright, so I got the secondaries out. Here's my secondaries versus the stock secondaries.
What?
As you can see, they literally follow the same path as the OEM. This one's a little harder to see, but... And then like I said, the OEM one has that little 15-degree bend. We added the same 15-degree bend. So let me go ahead and I'm gonna install these and I'll show you the finished product. Okay, so you'll get your supply gaskets. Don't forget to put these in.
Okay.
All right, so we got the secondaries installed. Let me show you how they look. Perfect fitment, bracket location, bolted up to the factory cats. Perfect body clearance all the way through. So now that everything's installed, let's get our sound clip. This is factory primaries, my secondaries, and an MBRP catback.
Oh my God!
So we got the customer, he's gonna go ahead and go for a drive, see how it is, and I'll do some outside shots. And there you guys heard it. CMBuildz secondary downpipes are in production mode at the moment. Gonna schedule to ship mid-December. So if you guys are interested, you guys can go ahead and I'll put the link in the description of this video. I hope everybody enjoyed it. I hope you guys can see how easy it is to really install these downpipes. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.